Hello my beautiful viewers on my channel, James Higgins Open World. Well, what I've got now is made with British pork, Burts limited edition maple pigs in blankets, hand cut British potato chips. I got these from Costa, just been there. So let's give it a taste test. Right. What do I think of these Burts limited edition maple pigs in blankets? We know my mark is just from 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 we go starting off the charts. Well, three and a half. They're not great. 3.5. Would I buy them again? No, I wouldn't. Okay, see you on the next one.